Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel iApple Solutions. In this video I am going to show you how to unlock unavailable iPhone if you forgot your password. If you forgot your iPhone, how to unlock unavailable iPhone X, 11, 12 and 13 series if forgot password. Simply tap on emergency section. If your iPhone is unavailable, unlock unavailable iPhone without restore, without any losing data, without computer. Enter the secret pin star 807-680 star 387-280 star 768 390 star 800117353 and hash. You can see appears on screen. When you enter the passcode, simply press the dialer and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply release the power button, tap on. You can see appears on screen. Apple logo appears on screen, and wipe your iPhone and fix unavailable iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series also support. This method is work on iOS 12 to iOS 17.3. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. You can see again Apple logo appears on screen. Swipe up. You can see appears on screen. Fix unavailable, without data losing, without computer, without any third-party software. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.